appearing, and trees are loading up with leaves, and the weather's turning gentle with the greening on the grass that grows in springs. That's when love is right for those who hold it in peace with no resentment, so neither toward the other axed with heart. A good lover must not believe reports, nor what his eyes might see themselves about any kind of false transgression. He knows his lady never did what she said she did elsewhere. Let him believe, even if she never swears it, and what he saw, let him disown. For I see even the very best ones turn at once into fools, pursuing their own justice, until their lady gets angry, and laughter then turns to tears, and the fool by bad fortune goes seeking the pain that will afflict him. For love wants lovers of such a sort who know how to suffer pride in peace and great excess. Even if their lady denies them, let a small complaint be their honor. For if she takes it badly or gets angry, she'll soon find someone who'll welcome her. This wisdom I've risen, and I have as much love as I want. For even if she does me great harm, when others complain I stay calm. No matter how great my pain is, I endure until she cures me with whatever pleasure she chooses. I'd rather 30 dishonors than one honor if it took me from her. For I am a man of such a nature. I don't want the honor that loses the gain, and fear never leaves me, so my heart finds no safety. For I always think another will steal her. About my pain I beg my lords, but it's my lady's love I want, and that she takes some care of me. For my distress is far too great. She'd give me gentle rescue if one time in a dark night she'd put me there where she undresses. PEIRE ROGIER begs her for rescue, and if this long pain still endures, he'll barely live, already he wheezes.